Which of the following is the first principle of HACCP? A. Establish monitoring procedures. B. Conduct a hazard analysis. C. Establish corrective actions. Answer: B. Conduct a hazard analysis. A critical control point, CCP, is defined as a step at which control can be applied to prevent a hazard. B. A step where monitoring is not required. C. A step in the production process. Answer: A. A step at which control can be applied to prevent a hazard. Which of the following is not a type of hazard considered in HACCP? A. Biological. B. Chemical. C. Financial. Answer: C. Financial. The term critical limit refers to a. The maximum or minimum value to which a biological, chemical, or physical parameter must be controlled. B. The acceptable level of a hazard. C. The tolerance level of a process. Answer: A. The maximum or minimum value to which a biological, chemical, or physical parameter must be controlled. Which principle of HACCP involves establishing verification procedures? A. Principle 4. B. Principle 5. C. Principle 6. Answer: C. Principle 6. Which step is involved in conducting a hazard analysis? A. Identifying potential hazards. B. Establishing critical limits. C. Verifying the HACCP system. Answer: A. Identifying potential hazards. What is the primary purpose of record keeping in a HACCP system? A. To document the HACCP plan and provide evidence of compliance. B. To create marketing materials. C. To train new employees. Answer: A. To document the HACCP plan and provide evidence of compliance. Which of the following is a biological hazard? A. Metal fragments. B. Pesticide residue. C. Salmonella. Answer: C. Salmonella. The corrective action principle of HACCP requires A. Regular employee training. B. Actions to correct deviations when critical limits are not met. C. Continuous monitoring of all processes. Answer: B. Actions to correct deviations when critical limits are not met. Which organization is responsible for providing HACCP guidelines in the United States? A. FDA. B. USDA. C. CDC. Answer: A. FDA. Verification procedures in a HACCP system are used to A. Monitor CCPs. B. Establish critical limits. C. Ensure the HACCP system is working effectively. Answer: C. Ensure the HACCP system is working effectively. In a HACCP plan, monitoring activities should be A. Infrequent and random. B. Continuous and consistent. C. Only conducted during audits. Answer: B. Continuous and consistent. What is a common example of a chemical hazard in food production? A. Bacteria. B. Cleaning agents. C. Glass fragments. Answer: B. Cleaning agents. A flow diagram in a HACCP plan is used to A. Illustrate the distribution process. B. Describe the steps in the production process. C. Show financial expenditures. Answer: B. Describe the steps in the production process. Critical control points, CCPs, are A. The same for all food products. B. Specific to each food production process. C. Only necessary for raw ingredients. Answer: B. Specific to each food production process. The primary goal of HACCP is to A. Improve taste and texture of food. B. Ensure food safety by preventing hazards. C. Reduce production costs. Answer: B. Ensure food safety by preventing hazards. Who should be involved in developing a HACCP plan? A. Only the Quality Control Department. B. A multidisciplinary team including management and operational staff. C. External auditors only. Answer: B. A multidisciplinary team including management and operational staff. Which of the following is an example of a physical hazard? A. Bacteria. B. Pesticide residue. C. Glass shards. Answer: C. Glass shards. Establishing corrective actions in a HACCP plan ensures that A. Hazards are completely eliminated. B. Steps are taken when monitoring shows a deviation from critical limits. C. The production process is sped up. Answer: B. Steps are taken when monitoring shows a deviation from critical limits. How often should a HACCP plan be reviewed and updated? A. Every 10 years. B. Annually or whenever there are changes in the process. C. Only when there is a food safety incident. Answer: B. Annually or whenever there are changes in the process. Which principle of HACCP requires establishing monitoring procedures? A. Principle 2. B. Principle 3. C. Principle 4. Answer: C. Principle 4. When conducting a hazard analysis, which of the following should be considered? A. Potential biological, chemical, and physical hazards. B. Only biological hazards. C. Financial risks. Answer: A. Potential biological, chemical, and physical hazards. A critical limit in a HACCP plan must be A. Arbitrarily chosen. B. Based on scientific data and regulatory standards. C. Flexible and adjustable. Answer: B. Based on scientific data and regulatory standards. Which of the following is a verification activity in HACCP? A. Monitoring CCPs. B. Reviewing records and conducting audits. C. Establishing critical limits. Answer: B. Reviewing records and conducting audits. What is the main purpose of establishing critical limits at CCPs? A. To identify potential hazards. B. To set thresholds that must be met to ensure safety. C. To document monitoring procedures. Answer: B. To set thresholds that must be met to ensure safety. Corrective actions in a HACCP plan should be A. Predetermined and specific for each CCP. B. General guidelines for any deviation. C. Optional. Answer: A. Predetermined and specific for each CCP. In the context of HACCP, a flow diagram should include A. Only the final product details. B. All steps in the process from raw materials to finished product. C. Financial data. Answer: B. All steps in the process from raw materials to finished product. The verification principle of HACCP includes A. Establishing monitoring procedures. B. Conducting regular reviews and audits of the HACCP system. C. Setting critical limits. Answer: B. Conducting regular reviews and audits of the HACCP system. A chemical hazard could be introduced in food production by A. Improper hand washing. B. Contaminated water supply. C. Using cleaning agents near food. Answer: C. Using cleaning agents near food. Which step comes after establishing critical limits in a HACCP plan? A. Conducting a hazard analysis. B. Establishing monitoring procedures. C. Determining CCPs. Answer: B. Establishing monitoring procedures.